Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
For many people, sudden changes in the weather, the smell of perfume and cleaning products are enough to trigger sneezing, nasal discharge, itching, and nasal congestion. All of these can be signs of rhinitis. There are a lot of websites saying that smelling alcohol can be good for rhinitis, but this is actually just a myth. There are rumors that alcohol has a decongestant effect, but in fact, the opposite is true. Small amounts of alcohol can cause vasodilation, a widening of the blood vessels, which can make a runny nose or congestion worse. In addition, there are several natural decongestants that can help relieve congestion and runny nose, such as using a humidifier, a nebulizer, and also some natural alternatives. According to research, 10 to 25% of people suffer from allergic rhinitis, which is usually triggered by substances in the air such as pollen, dust mites, and other allergens. Many people try to figure out how to relieve the symptoms of rhinitis. If you're one of them, we've compiled 3 tips that can help you relieve the symptoms. Ginger and garlic tea has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties found in garlic, and phenolic compounds like gingerol found in ginger. They help to fight the symptoms of rhinitis, such as stuffy nose, runny nose, sore throat, and general malaise. In addition, this tea helps to strengthen the immune system and shorten the duration of rhinitis. To make it, you'll need 3 cloves of garlic peeled and halved, 1 centimeter of ginger root or 1/2 teaspoon of ginger powder, and 3 cups of water. Boil the water with the garlic. Take it off the heat and add the ginger and honey. Strain and serve. Thyme tea is another excellent remedy for colds. It's rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant substances and acts as an expectorant, clearing mucus and relieving the feeling of a runny and stuffy nose in allergic rhinitis. For this, you need 1 tablespoon of dried thyme extract or 2 sprigs of fresh thyme and 1 liter of boiling water. Add the dried thyme to the boiling water and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and drink up to 3 cups per day. In addition to these teas, you can make your own natural nebulizer at home. Eucalyptus essential oil is great for this. It has anti-inflammatory action on the respiratory tract, helps to reduce the production, and facilitates the elimination of mucus that causes the feeling of a stuffy and runny nose. This essential oil should only be used for inhalation and shouldn't be taken orally. Add 3 to 5 drops of eucalyptus essential oil to 1 liter of boiling water. Then cover your head with a towel so that it also covers the container with the eucalyptus oil solution. Be careful not to bump into the container and burn yourself. Tilt your head over the container and inhale the steam for 10 minutes. The towel will help you inhale the steam more easily. Eucalyptus essential oil shouldn't be used by children and pregnant or nursing women. Did you like these tips on how to stop rhinitis fast? Do it and share your experience with us.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.